so much for tuning into my video. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021, and let's pray that this year brings us so much more than 2020 gave us. So much more good things, that is. I am Tish, and if this is your first time coming across my channel or watching any of my videos, I just want to say welcome. I don't think that I've ever done a true welcome here from me to you. And starting this year, I'm wanting to be, like many people that I've seen, wanting to be a little bit more intentional about my YouTube channel. I have a very small channel, but when I say I absolutely love to upload content or record something that I'm working on and the process of getting it up on YouTube, I absolutely love to do that. So although my channel is small, I've never really been, just big on let me stop doing it because I don't have the views like some of the larger YouTubers, and I don't get as much feedback. I do it because I actually love it. And with that being said, YouTube is definitely not my job. It's just something that I really love to do. I mentioned that I am a creative, and I started YouTube when I was doing events full-time. I was a full-time entrepreneur doing weddings, parties, corporate events, and I also had an event studio. I say that it's divine intervention that, I closed the studio before the pandemic, because that would have been a whole other situation. But I am still, I work a 9-to-5 job. I am a corporate mama, and I am still operating a small business on the side. During my day job, I'm still able to create. I'm a project and special events manager for, a somewhat large institution, and I get to do that on a regular basis. And, planning and handling the logistics and working with different people often really gets me going. Well, I also like to, as you can see back here, I started sewing in 2020. So some good things happened in 2020. I love to sew projects as I'm learning. I'm very new to it. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I love stationery. I love planners and journaling, all of those things. I've been in that community for a long time, and I don't see me slowing down anytime soon. I just don't like things black and white. I like to add a little sparkle and embellish things as much as I can to them. And if you see me looking down, I have my phone because I'm sure I'm going to get some work calls and things, and to have a few notes here. But that's some of the things that I like to share here on my channel. From time to time, I will be commissioned to do a private event. But because of the pandemic, all of that has been, very limited, and I'm very cautious, even more now, to say no to things if I feel like it's going to, be really strenuous or put me or my family at risk. But, as things do come up and I do accept things, I like to use my channel to share those things with you. I started off in my living room with a borrowed laptop, and this was over 10 years ago, well over 10 years ago. And just, during that time in my life, I wanted to find what I was good at. I was searching, and when I started to do events and create things for the events, my life seemed like it just, it just blossomed. And I love to do that. And now that I have girls, I'm able to create things for them, for their organizations, school, for myself, my sorority. You may see some things here that I create for the sorority. So I'm saying all of this to say, I started this channel as a creative outlet from me. And moving forward, I also want to hear from those of you who do view my videos, and I want to know, what content would you like to see from me moving forward in 2021? I love to do vlogs. I mean, I just love to do it. And I know I should probably, you know, look at the views and say these aren't producing as well as others. But right now, I really just want to have fun with it. And I also want to engage with you here on YouTube. So please leave me a comment down below and let me know what type of content you want me to produce for you in 2021 so that I can get that scheduled. I do work a 9 to 5, so I have to find the time to, you know, create the content and also operate my small business. I have a website, www.tishbullard.com, and that's my blog. That's where I share some tips and tricks and just some fun things over there on the blog. And then I also have a stationery or a handcrafted accessory website at www.shoptishb.com. So while I'm working 9 to 5, we're very, when I say we, me and my husband, we're very active in the community, within our worship community. Also, our children are very active. I run those sites. My husband is extremely business in his field, and he also has a food truck business that is jumping. So we're just a busy family. Okay, I rambled. I think it's going on 10 minutes or so, and I don't want to keep you long, but I did want to, you know, get my face out there to you and just say thank you so much for watching. If you've been watching most of my videos, my heart just opens up to you. I thank you so much for the support that you give. I have regular commenters, and I actually look forward to hearing from you all when I post a video. So please keep doing that, and like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would mean so much to me. And I know I've said it a few times, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of content you would like for me to produce. So I've already mentioned what I absolutely love to do. If it's not event planning, it's going to be planning, you know, daily life or some aspect of the life. I love to get in my planner and organize my thoughts, organize my days. I love to create things with paper, with fabric, decorating my home. We moved into a new home, and you know, it's not where I want it to be because it's larger than what I had. So I'm having fun, you know, creating things for the home and going shopping. Those are some things that I could definitely blog for you. I mentioned community service, things that we're a part of that, you know, it means a whole lot to our family to give back to our community. Those things can be put into a blog, not a blog, a vlog. I mean, the sky's the limit. You tell me. I don't want to put myself in a little bitty box, because as a creative, it's hard to tame us. If that makes sense, you know, because our hearts go in so many different places. But if I was to be in a box, it would have to be a creative box with all of the glitter, all of the sparkle, and all of the things. Thank you so much for giving me your time today, and I look forward to spending a lot more time with you in 2021. And if you're on Instagram, I'm there too. You can find me at I am Tish Bullard. And girlfriends and guy friends, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.